everybody, welcome to Anna's Pastry Kitchen. It is summertime, so it's time to make a delicious fruit cobbler. So I got some beautiful blackberries at the grocery store. They are so big and so sweet and yummy, so I will use those. I love this cobbler recipe. It's easy. It kind of defies reason because you make sort of a cakey batter and you pour it in your baking pan, and then you layer your berries on top, and then as it bakes it sort of rises up and the berries sink to the bottom, and then you have that sort of cobbled look on top with some berries, some of the cake. Cobblers can be really different. Some cobblers have sort of a biscuit dough, others actually use a pie crust dough. I love this one. It's sweet, it's a little bit cakey, and it's so easy. So we'll go ahead and get started. In this bowl, I have a cup of flour and a cup of sugar. I have some baking powder and I have some salt. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk that I've pre-measured into my lovely Pampered Chef glass bowl. And then I've melted half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick. And again, in a Pampered Chef bowl. I really like these bowls. They have measuring on the sides and they come with lids. They're great. So again, not many ingredients in this, and we're just going to stir it together. I've already buttered my baking dish. It's a large, I would call it a pie pan, or you can make quiche in it, but this is just a really nice stoneware pie plate. It's heavy. It looks to me like it's about 10 inches. So I've already greased that. I'm mixing my batter and we'll pour it in to that pie pan, and then I'm going to layer the fresh blackberries on top and sprinkle a little sugar on top as well. So this recipe does not take long, and I'm all about easy recipes without a ton of ingredients that just taste delicious. So here we go. We're already putting it together. So I'm going to pour this cake. It's like a cake batter. No eggs in this. We're going to pour this in. And I'm using my Pampered Chef spatula. I'm really loving Pampered Chef products these days. I have a few friends that sell Pampered Chef and I just love it. So these are some things I got this summer. All right, so there's our batter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure out. These have been rinsed and dried. Measure out about 2 cups of berries, and we're gonna layer those on top and then sprinkle it with a little bit of sugar. All right, so it's not quite all the berries. That was about 3 of the little, I guess they're half pint containers. So that's a heavy duty 2 cups. We'll take a couple of those out. But anyway, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and layer those around the top and then sprinkle it with more sugar and then bake it in a 350 oven. Takes a while, like 45 minutes. I'll set the timer and check it at 45, and then it should be nice and brown on the top, and like I said, the blackberries will sink to the bottom, but some will sort of be, showing through the cake batter. This is going to be so good, and I'll serve it with some homemade vanilla ice cream, and we will be home free with a fabulous dessert. Can't go wrong with Blackberry Cobbler. These blackberries are unreal. All right, fabulous. So I'm going to get a 1/4 cup of sugar, and we'll sprinkle that across the top. Why not, right? Sprinkle that sugar across the top, and then we'll put it in the oven. Y'all, that was so easy, and it's just so good. So, all right. Very good. Going in the oven. Okay, so I pulled it out of the oven. It actually baked for close to an hour. So I would start checking it at 45 minutes. You're baking it at 350. It looks delicious. So I'm going to scoop it out, and I have our homemade vanilla ice cream with the almond milk and the coconut milk. So here is our delicious blackberry cobbler, and we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla ice cream and give that a taste. What a treat, y'all. It must be summer, right? All right, there we go. Take a look at that. Looking good. All right, let me have a little bit of bite. A little bite of this and a little bite of that. Fabulous. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I had a lot of fun. Hope you're doing well.